Infoman is a personal information manager that includes an address book, scheduler, and email module. Gmail support has been added to the email module. The Gmail APIs used are read-only, send, and delete. Therefore, I'm using the general Gmail API. The API selected in provisioning Gmail due to the use of deleting emails. Google Calendar and contact support are also via Google API are used in this application. Click on the Email tab to display the email. Click on the Gmail button to access the Gmail account. First of all, you'll see sign-on screen including the client ID. So I'll go ahead and click on the test account, and I'm going to allow these authentications. Now I click on the receive to get the Gmail. This is using the read-only Gmail API. So you see the Gmails, and so I'll click on a Gmail, and again I'm using the read-only Gmail API to display this particular email, and you can click on any to display those. Okay, to use the send, the reply and forward, or you want to go ahead and do a brand new one, that'll work too, but that's using the send API. I'll go ahead and do a new API, an address, the from address for my other API, my other email account comes up there. So I will send this to another email I have. This is just a test. I can add an attachment and it'll show up there, but the received attachments coming to the Gmail are not coming in using the component I'm using to access the Gmail. So go ahead, I'll send this email clicking the send button, and it's sent successfully. So that's how you use the send, and then I'm using a delete, so if I want to delete one of these emails, I can. I'm only pulling the last 10 here, or 12 sometimes. So I can go ahead and delete one of these by clicking on it and then clicking the delete button here. But I don't want to do that because I want to save these right now. So quickly going to how I use Calendar, go ahead and click on the options and schedules. I'll connect to Google here. Again, the client ID shows. And I allow access. And this shows the various schedules I have on Google Calendar. And I can add them to my existing schedule here on my machine by clicking Import Schedule. The one I'm importing is this one right here. Click Yes, and it will show up in Schedule under September 15th. I don't recall the date. It's 2017. There it is. That concludes my presentation of the use of Google APIs and Infoman.